the dominant control of the BJP in Goa is still old Janasang and RSS people. So only that new people have become ministers, and some of our traditional supporters have not got their due. But I think these are all temporary situations. Even Lord Rama had accepted Vibhishana's support. So we have a tradition that with the larger goal we must win, and we cannot afford to lose Goa, because Goa is intellectually a very important state for us. I would think that where we are keen to see that the whole country comes under BJP rule, we think that if somebody is ready to accept your program and is willing to speak for it, at most once he joins, he will be there only for some time. If he comes and behaves the same way as he was behaving in some other party, I don't think a disciplined party like BJP will tolerate it.
So my question is in particular